Welcome to Upper Michigan's Source.com. Weather on demand for August 21st and 22nd. The official high at the National Weather Service site near Negaunee on the 21st, just under 90 at 89. The low 68, not far off that record high set on the 21st of August in 1976 of 91 degrees. We had that cold front move through and created some thunderstorms. In fact, there were some reports of severe weather, 1-inch hail in places like Berglund, Ontonagon County, also at Grand Marais, also at Chatham and Alger County. Well, the fronts moved to the south. High pressure is building in, so for Thursday, it looks like one of those UP summer days with a fresh northerly breeze, a good deal of sunshine, lower humidity, and cooler temperatures. The high moves across on Thursday night, so it'll be cool many spots in the interior down into the 40s. Sunshine, though, will rule on Friday as this high ridges back into the Great Lakes, so a pleasant UP summer day again. Out to the west, low pressure will start forming in the northern Rockies, then into the plains. The high moves off to the east, and on Saturday, south winds begin to increase. That'll increase the warmth, also the humidity, and there could be some scattered showers and thunderstorms by especially later in the day over the western UP. Your TV 6-day forecast. Look for temperatures to warm even more as we head into early next week. The best chance of thunderstorms this weekend appear to be on Sunday as the warm, humid air works in, and that chance lingers into early next week.